This FM.
Okay, come on everybody, clap your hands and support Jordan on his journey. Come on Jordan. Well, you have now 1,000 in your account.
Good.
You have now 2,000. Wow.
That's so nice, man.
By the way, Bob, how much did you get tickets?
No, I think it's free for him. Now I care about the money more than the tickets.
Wow, he has 3,000 dirhams, Bob.
3,000 dirhams. Well, I guess we are broke and we need this money. So, Jordan, you can say goodbye to your money. We took it now.
Look at him.
What happened to you? Huh? No, he's looking everywhere. Where's the money? Ian, what shall I do? He will bite me. Okay, please don't bite me. This is your money, habibi. Khalas. Don't worry, be happy. This is your money. You can fly how you want. It's okay. Let's give him a big round of applause. He's so happy because he got his money. Now, before he goes home to get some rest, he wants to tell you something. Let's see what he's going to talk.
Would you like to say hi to everyone? One more time, don't be shy. Hi!
Hi, and it's time to say goodbye. Thank you, Jordan. Don't worry,